What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I am riding Tourcoach T186, a 1997 Gillig Phantom, and today I am on the Rose Bowl to Parade shuttle, the line RB, and I am taking this bus from Washington Boulevard and Woodland Road all the way to Rose Bowl. And I needed to ride this bus because the bus actually moans. We're all ready to go, so let's go. We are boarding at platform 4, so we're going to be getting more people on board. Alright, we got people coming in, so I'll be back. First stop is Washington Boulevard and Altadena Drive. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Coolidge Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Craig Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Pepper Drive. Hello, Transit Rider. I saw Transit Rider and UPRR Railfin 7479, and I better meet up with them next. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Allen Avenue. After this, I'll be getting back to the Blue Gate and meet up with transit fans. I noticed that Transit Rider, no, SoCal Transit Studios and UPRR Railfan 7479 were spotted. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Allen Avenue. I better meet up with transit fans next. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Sinaloa Avenue. The transit fans are here, so I better meet up with them before they head off to the blue gate. Whoa! Okay, that was weird. This is known for Gillig, so I know the fact that these Gillig Phantoms do a very they did a great job on these buses. And I love Tourcoach, one of my favorite charter buses in history. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Brazee Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Hill Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Chester Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard. Okay, we just passed Chester Avenue, so moving on. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Mar Vista Avenue. If I still meet transit fans, we're gonna film it together. Okay, then. We just passed Mar Vista Avenue. The next stop is Catalina Avenue. And that's the stop for the Santa Catalina Library. And also you get the Arco gas station. That's also the stop for it. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Lake Avenue. We're going on Washington Boulevard and we're going to turn left on we're going to make a sharp left on Rosemont Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Hudson Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and El Molino Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Los Robles Avenue. Let's see if the stop request strings work. Nope, they don't work. Let's try this one when after I get back from you guys. So I'll be back. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Marengo Avenue. stop is Washington Boulevard and Fair Oaks Avenue. For those of you who are curious about this bus, this was originally a Tri-Delta Transit bus, and I don't remember the model number. I know it's a Gillig Phantom, but I don't know the fleet number. But what I can tell is one of those 9700 series. And I believe it's 9797. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Navarro Avenue. When I get back on the Blue Gate, I'm going to be heading out with SoCal Transit Studios and UPRR Railfan 7479. Anyway, the next stop is Washington Boulevard and Glen Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Lincoln Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Forest Avenue. The next stop is Washington Boulevard and Arroyo Boulevard. As we pass Arroyo Boulevard, it's going to turn right to stay on Washington Boulevard. This one is Detroit Diesel Series 50 EGR and Allison B400R. The next stop is Rosemont Avenue and Washington Boulevard. Now making a sharp left on Rosemont Avenue. The next stop is Rosemont Avenue and Rose Bowl Drive. The next stop is Rosemont Avenue and Arroyo Boulevard. And that's a stop for Rose Bowl. I better ride T188 if I have enough time. But apparently we got another bus that's already going to leave. We got T191. I already have a video of it, so if you want to check it out, I'll have a link in the video description. Now turning right to enter Rose Bowl. The last stop is Rose Bowl. I will call this Rose Bowl Transit Center. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.